Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you reactivate your Twitter account. For those of you who don't know, Twitter is a social networking service on which users post and interact with messages known as tweets. To reactivate your Twitter account, open Twitter on a device. Now click on have an account already logged in and enter the email address, phone number or username of your account and click on next. Now enter the password to your account and click on login. Now there shows the option of reactivate your account and click on yes reactivate, which is highlighted in blue. And that's it, you have successfully reactivated your Twitter account. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.